In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight tickets online on AirAsia in 2025, step by step. Whether you're a frequent flyer or booking your first flight, this guide will simplify the process and make it a breeze to secure your next travel adventure. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the AirAsia website. Once there, you'll want to head directly to the flights section. If you're on the homepage, you should see a tab that says Flights. Click on that, and it will direct you to the flight search page where the booking begins. Once you've arrived at the search area, it's time to enter your flight details. First, you'll need to choose the cities for your journey. Start by selecting your departure city, then the destination city you wish to visit. The website provides a convenient drop-down menu that makes the selection straightforward. Next, decide if you are booking a one-way ticket or if you'll require a return flight. This is an important step as it will affect how you select dates. Now on to choosing your travel dates. Click on the calendar icon to bring up the date selector. Pick the dates that best fit your schedule. It's always a good idea to check for flexibility in your dates as it might offer better pricing options. Following the date selection, you'll need to specify the number of travelers. Enter how many adults, children, and infants will be traveling, as this information is crucial for booking seats and calculating fares. After inputting your travel and passenger details, you'll find options to filter your search results. Here you can decide if you want to see AirAsia flights only or explore options from other airlines as well. Depending on your preference, adjust the filters accordingly. Once you have filtered and reviewed the available flights, choose the option that suits your schedule and budget. You'll be presented with a detailed list including flight times, layovers, and prices, helping you make an informed decision. Moving on to optional extras, AirAsia offers you the flexibility to add services like extra baggage, seat selection, and meals. Consider these options based on your comfort and needs. If you're flying through Changi Airport, ensure these details are correct, especially if you're adding extras or have specific requirements due to the airport's unique offerings. Next, it's time to enter all passengers' details. This includes names, contact information, and any frequent flyer numbers. Be meticulous in entering this information to avoid any issues during check-in. After filling out the passenger details, carefully review the booking summary. Verify all the details, including dates, passenger information, and any extras you've selected. Making sure everything is correct here will prevent any surprises later. Finally, it's time for payment. Choose your preferred method of payment, enter your details, and confirm the booking. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your booking details. And there you have it, a seamless booking experience on AirAsia. By following these steps, you can easily book your next flight with confidence and be one step closer to your next exciting destination. Happy travels!